How can a teacher make reading more exciting and enjoyable for students in the classroom? This was the essential question that I asked myself while I was searching for an effective teaching tool. I was looking for something that catered to elementary students since that relates to my major the most. And this was when I came across the website Epic. Essentially, Epic is a subscription ebook service for elementary readers. They have thousands of books from well-known publishers, and the best part is that it's free for all educators. Epic has some amazing features like Read to Me books, which are auto books. It has community collections, so book collections that are already made, and also educational videos. So when you first log into Epic, it takes you to the Browse section, which is where the bulk of all the information Epic has is stored. So right now we're on recommended books, but if you click on this tab, it shows you different categories, so you can click on one of these and a book related to that topic will show up. Over here in preferences, this is where you can really cater it to your own classroom. So if you have higher grades, you can adjust the age accordingly. And then format is the type of book that you're looking for, and then interest, anything that you think your students would like to read. And you can save it, and then those books will show up for you. Up here in the toolbar, there is a search option, which you can click, and here you can search for a specific author, title, or keyword. Down here are some popular search words, so if we click on dogs, any book that Epic has that's related to that keyword will appear. If you go to my library, they have a collection section, which if you're teaching a unit and there's a specific topic or subject that's related to that unit, you can go onto Epic and search for books and then create a collection and refer back to it throughout your lesson plans. If you go to my favorites, this is where you store your favorite books and your favorite videos. So we'll click on this one. Berenstain Bears is my favorites because who doesn't love the Berenstain Bears? And this is what shows up. This is the book. And I think this is really awesome for teachers because they can project it and then the whole class can see it. And this really relates to one of my SLOs, which was students will predict the main idea of a story by looking at the pictures. So if I project this onto the board for everyone to see, students can clearly see the image and then make their predictions from there. Up here, you can further manipulate the book by sliding. You can change the page number. Up here is where you can click to add it to your favorites or recommend it to somebody. In the Add To section, you can add it to a collection or create a new collection. And then lastly, in the Quiz section, you can actually create a quiz. And this is really great because we talked about assessment a lot in instructional design, and this can be used as a formative assessment or even a summative assessment depending on how the teacher wants to use it. And then you can assign it to students who can make their own profile within Epic. So overall, I think that Epic is a really great teaching tool and can be incorporated really well into the reading and literacy time within classrooms, but it also has a lot of great resources for educational activities and videos. You can assign work and assess it, and it definitely relates back to SLOs. So I highly recommend that everyone sign up for Epic and check out the site.